Alright guys, so we got a dryer here, and it is a Whirlpool, Kenmore badged, and we turn power on, press start, take a listen, hear that? Okay, sounds like the door is not closing. One more time. With the door open. Okay, and that's a different sound. Close the door. Take a listen. All right, let's open her up. Alright guys, you can see this guy's bad, so we're going to replace him and we should be up and running. Some of the things you want to check, make sure your venting is not clogged, because the temperature is getting too hot and that's probably why it tripped it. So you want to check your venting and make sure nothing is restricting those areas, and clean your blower wheel, which is this guy here. They move air, and if they're not able to move the air, it just keeps getting hotter and hotter. All right, let's get that replaced. All right, so we're done. We're gonna check voltage and we're gonna turn her on, and let's see what we got. Cool. Oh, no, let's get this out of here.